So I'm on my terrace and I'm enjoying the pleasant breeze and the pleasant view. I'll show you the view from there. It's like a green blanket spread of trees everywhere, and yeah, the rains have made it look really beautiful. What a pleasant sight to eat your food too, right? It's a clear sky today and hopefully it stays this way. And there is a yummy looking food platter waiting for me to eat it all up. So I'm going to stop worrying about the rain anymore and just get to eating. So hey guys, namaste, hola, it's Caress and welcome to my channel. So surprisingly, and it's a wonder today that desserts are not going to be featuring in today's video. It's all just a savory food platter, just one sweet dish which was given for me to try. Before I begin, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you enjoy watching this video, do share it. So first off, I'm going to start with these Sloppy Joe sliders that I have here. Sliders are basically bite-sized burgers, or you could say miniature burgers. I ordered these sliders from Hitesh Dhanwani, from whom I ordered the kunafa. And before ordering these for myself, I did order these sliders for my grandparents and they loved it. They were praising it, which made me order for myself as well. So here I am tasting them today. There's 3 of these sliders here on my plate. I'll pop it up for y'all so y'all can take a nice look of what's inside. So there's chicken and sauce and onions, peppers and everything, looking so yummy. The size of my mouth is definitely smaller than this slider here. They are called bite-sized burgers, but this is not fitting in my mouth in one bite. It's really delicious. It's sweet, spicy, saucy, and it's barbecuey, which I love barbecue flavor. I am definitely loving this slider and y'all must give it a try. I bet y'all will go crazy over it. He started his own brand of food, that is Queens and Kings. So do check out his page and do eat these sliders. Before moving on to the next food item that I have, I want to finish this slider because it's tempting me. I'm done with the first slider. 2 big thumbs up for it. Let me tell you that one slider, at least for me, it's enough to keep me satiated. My stomach is small. I keep telling that to everybody, but it is so yummy that I can still make myself to go beyond one. Now moving on to the chicken shawarmas that we have here. Let's bite into this. This chicken shawarma is amazing. I love the combo of flavors in this chicken shawarma. There's tandoori chicken in this shawarma, and who doesn't love tandoori chicken? Biting into this chicken shawarma and getting a burst of tandoori flavor in your mouth, it's phenomenal. There's potato fries and veggies in there, so it enhances the flavor even more. So a big thumbs up for this as well. I ordered the chicken shawarmas from Shahista Sheikh and they are tandoori wow. I had ordered 3 chicken shawarmas and my dad ate one last night and he loved it. So I couldn't wait to try it today and I agree with him, it is fantastic. And now moving on to the malpua that she sent for me to try. So this is the malpua and this is the rabdi. So malpua is an Indian pancake which is served as a dessert or snack for festivals like Holi, Navratri or Diwali. I've always wanted to know how malpua tastes, so really thoughtful and sweet of her for sending me this malpua, and now I can taste it. I will taste it without the rabdi first and then we'll taste it with the rabdi. It's superb. These are my favorite pancakes now. Okay, let's taste it along with the rabdi. It really goes well with the rabdi. The rabdi really adds extra sweetness and flavor to the malpua. It's so must. It's really must. Thank you for sending me this malpua. I enjoyed tasting everything on this food platter here and my stomach is saying my stomach is doing that to me right now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do check out both their pages. I will link them in the description box below. If you did like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do share this video with your friends and family. I'm going to end this video here and gobble all of this right away because the food is literally calling my name. So toodles and see you next time.